What's going on, guys? Chris here, and before I get into this video, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like the video. It helps the channel grow tremendously, and to subscribe to the channel, tick that bell icon. That said, let's get right to it, okay? So this is an update video, obviously, and I have a video that's already having people ask on the same subject. Another person said it wasn't free anymore. Um, I don't know what it looks like on your side, where whatever country you're in. I don't know how the rules may differ in different countries with being an Amazon seller for the free account. But the last person that commented on my other video about it said it's not free anymore. So I went to check. So here it is. This is an update video for you guys. Um, this is like the most up to date for now till it's not up to date anymore. Then let's get another update. But anyhow, here's an update. So what I found is if you click learn more and you go to pricing, if you can still see on the Dropbox it says standard selling fees. You can compare selling plans, all that good stuff. So I believe you can click on compare selling plans. And that's what I did. I hit the Dropbox and hit compare selling plans. And the free account is this one, individual, 99 cents per item sold. And you go down to that button, sign up for individual. This is where you would sign up. So you click that, sign up, and that's it. That's a wrap. Follow the prompts. Now, I do want to let you know, guys, that in order to like get through beginning selling with them, they're gonna mail a postcard to you, and you have to like wait on the postcard to come in, and then you verify on that postcard. Um, I had some people said they had to do that. They got in. Some people said they couldn't get in. So I think they're taking higher measures to make it more difficult to sign up for Amazon Seller, the free plan. But from what it looks like here, it's still saying the free plan's available. You just got to click on this button to track to it. But if I have other people saying in England that they're still being told they have to pay £39 and 99 pence, and we in the United States over here, so I see a free and the 39.99, or yeah, 39.99 month plan right here. So that's what I see. I'm sure it's different. The layout is probably different in different countries. Things are probably located in different places. So if you're having difficulties or you're getting denied, I'm sorry that they're giving you a hard time. But the ones that do give it a go, give it your all. Even if you say you don't get the postcard, and I would, while logged in, get in touch with the seller support. There is a support. It's not the greatest support, but you do have to look for it. It's in there. You could talk with someone. I believe, I could be wrong. I'm probably gonna have some people who's like, no, I can't even get to that part. I mean, I don't know, guys. I've had my Amazon account for many years, over a decade. No, I don't know why it's giving other people such a hard time signing up. Back then. I didn't have to jump. I didn't have to jump through so many hoops like you guys have to now. So hopefully you guys can get in there and start selling on Amazon. Okay, so if this video helped and you're able to get in, do let me know. Drop a comment and let me know. Any other people, just drop comments. If you stuck somewhere, I mean, I'll try my best to come up with a solution video. So that said, go ahead, sign off, like the video, subscribe.